Hello students, today we will learn how to solve questions related with solid state. First of all, you must know the formulas related with this chapter. Here they are. Three main type of cubic structures are simple cubic, body center cubic or BCC, face center cubic or FCC structure. The relationship between A and R, A is equal to 2R, root 3A is equal to 4R and root 2A is equal to 4R respectively for these three type of structure. Further, number of elements in one unit cell, 1 for simple cubic, 2 for body center cubic and 4 for face center cubic. Coordination number, it is the number of elements surrounding a particular element in the crystal structure. For simple cubic it is 6, for body center cubic it is 8 and for FCC structure, face center cubic structure, it is 12. Then you must know the formula to calculate density. D is equal to Z into M upon Na into A cube, where D representing the density of crystal, Z is the number of elements in one unit cell, that is 1, 2 or 4 depending upon the structure given to you in your question, M the molar mass, Na Avogadro number 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 and A is the edge length of unit cell. This formula you have to learn. Then three important type of ionic crystal structures. One, that is rock salt structure, NaCl structure, in which Cl negative is crystallized in FCC structure and Na positive are present in octahedral voids that are edge centered position as well as body centered position. And for this type of structure you have to learn A is equal to 2 into R positive plus R negative. A the edge length, R positive the radius of cation and R negative the radius of anion. All the structures that are of rock salt type will obey this formula. Another type of ionic structure is CsCl like structure, Cesium chloride, in which chloride ion is present in simple cubic structure and Cs positive is present at body centered position, that is actually cubic void. And the relationship between A and radius of cation and radius of anion is root 3A is equal to 2 R positive plus R negative. Again R positive the radius of cation, R negative the radius of anion, A the edge length. Another type of structure is zinc blend structure, ZnS structure, in which sulfide ions are crystallized in FCC unit cell and Zn plus 2 are present at alternate tetrahedral voids. Formula between A and cation and anion radius is root 3A upon 2 is equal to 2 into R positive plus R negative, where A is the edge length, R positive radius of cation and R negative radius of anion. So students, you have to learn all these formulas to solve the questions related with solid state. Now students, let's solve some numericals related with solid state. Question first. A binary solid AB has rock salt structure. If the edge length is 400 picometer and the radius of cation is 75 picometer, then the radius of anion is. Now how to solve this question? We know for rock salt type of structure, A is equal to 2 into R positive plus R negative. You must learn the formula. Now in this formula you are given edge length A 400 and R positive radius of cation 75 and you have to find out radius of anion. Put the value. A is 400 is equal to 2, R positive 75 plus R negative you have to find out. It would be 200 is equal to 75 plus R negative and R negative is equal to 125 picometer. By knowing the formula, putting the value, you can get the answer very easily. So correct answer is 125 picometer. Next question. CSCl, cesium chloride has BCC structure with CS positive at the center and Cl negative at each corner. If R of CS positive is 1.69 and R of Cl negative is 1.81, then what is the edge length of the cube? Again, you must know the relationship between the edge length and the radius of cation and anion. For CSCl like structure, we know that root 3a is equal to 2 into R positive plus R negative. Now you have to find out A, and radius of cation and anions are given to you. So putting the value, A is equal to 2 upon root 3 into R positive 1.69 and R negative 1.81. Solving this, you will get your answer. A is equal to 4.04 Armstrong. So students, you must learn the formulas. Again, the next question is CSBr. Cesium bromide has BCC structure with edge length 4.3 picometer. A is given this time, and shortest inter-ionic distance between CS positive and Br negative is. Shortest distance means the sum of the radius. Again, knowing the same formula, root 3a is equal to 2 into R positive plus R negative. In this question, you have to find out the sum of R positive and R negative, and A is given to you. So putting the value in this formula, for third question, R positive and R negative, sum of these two is root 3a by 2, and A is given to you 4.3. Putting the value, root 3 is 1.732 into 4.3 upon 2. Solving this, you will get your answer 3.72 picometer. So correct answer is 3.72 picometer. Students, let's do some more questions that have been appeared in previous examinations. Question is, iron changes its crystal from BCC to FCC upon heating. The ratio of density of the crystal before heating and after heating is. So question is, structure being changed from BCC to FCC, and you have to find out the ratio of the density of these two structures. So we use the formula density is equal to Z into M upon Na into AQ. M and Na are constant for BCC and FCC, but Z is being changed from 2 to 4, and A, that depends upon radius. Radius remains constant, but A will get changed due to different structure. Say A1 is the edge length of BCC and A2 is the edge length of FCC. Now the relationship between A and R for BCC structure is A1 is equal to, for BCC, it is 4R upon root 3, and A2 for FCC is 4R upon root 2, and Z value for BCC is 2 and for FCC it is 4. When you have to find out the ratio of density, that is D1 upon D2, D1 the density in BCC structure, D2 the density in FCC structure, M and Na are constant, it depends upon Z and A. So D1 upon D2 is equal to Z1 upon A1 cube upon Z2 upon A2 cube. And now putting the value, D1 to D2 is Z1 value 2 upon Z2 value 4. Now A1 cube and A2 cube will come from these formulas. A1 cube will be 64 R cube upon 3 root 3, and A2 cube will be 64 A2 is 64 r cube upon 2 root 2. So these are cancelled, and solving this you will get your result 0.918. So your correct answer is, this one is B, 0.918 is the correct answer. Next question. How many unit cells are present in a cube-shaped crystal lattice of NaCl of mass 1 gram? You know the molar mass of NaCl is 58.5. So 58.5 gram of NaCl contains Na molecules of NaCl, and 1 gram will contain Na upon 58.5 molecules. In 1 gram of NaCl, molecules of NaCl are Na upon 58.5. Na is Avogadro number. You have to find out number of unit cells. And now from the structure of NaCl, rock salt structure, we know that 4 molecules are present in 1 unit cell. So 4 molecules of NaCl constitute 1 unit cell of NaCl, and the molecules are Na upon 58.5. So how many unit cells will be there? Na upon 58.5 divided by 4. Solving this, you get your answer 2.57 into 10 raised to power 21 unit cells. So what would be the correct answer? A. 2.57 into 10 raised to power 21. Next question comes from IIT 2006. The edge length of the unit cell of a metal having molecular weight 75 gram per mole is 5 angstrom, which is cubic in nature. Means unit cell of cubic nature. If the density is 2 gram per centimeter cube, then find the radius of metal. Now you are given edge length, you are given molar mass, you are given density. So using again the formula of density, Z into M upon Na into A cube. Density is given, M is known, Na is known, A is known. You can find out which type of unit cell is it. Putting the value density 2 gram per centimeter cube. ZeV have to find out, molar mass 75, Na 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23, and now A is given in angstrom. You have to convert it into centimeter because density is given in gram per centimeter cube. So A value is 5 angstrom. It means 5 into 10 raised to power minus 8 centimeter. And the cube of A cube is, that would be 125 into 10 raised to power minus 24. Putting the value of A, and now solving it, you have to find Z, and Z value comes out to be 2. It means the structure is BCC. Now knowing the structure of this crystal lattice, that is BCC, you have to find out the radius of metal atom. Now we know the relationship between A and R for BCC structure is root 3A is equal to 4R. So A is given, you have to find out R. R is equal to root 3A by 4. Putting the value of A, you will get your answer. A is 5 angstrom, and units of options are given in picometer. So you have to convert angstrom into picometer, and putting them, you will get your answer. It would be 217 picometer. So correct answer is 217 picometer. So first you have to find out the type of crystal lattice, that is BCC, and then you have to use the relationship between A and R for BCC to get the radius of the metal atom.